Here we have a custom Plymouth Neon, just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. As you can see, a lot of modification to this, riding on Tenzo, kind of white and polished wheels up front, looking at slotted rotors. We'll get around and we'll open this thing up and I'll show you there are Lambo doors on it. Custom interior bucket seats with a 4-point harness system in it. A lot of extra ground effects. Aerodynamic package kit added to it. Custom paint in the white and the blue. White striped. Now, this particular car does have a clean Wisconsin title upon purchase. A lot of customization done to this. Let's take a look at the interior here a second, show you. So here's your custom bucket seats. Short throw shifter. Aftermarket dash and gauges added. A-pillar. Down below, a Rockford Fosgate. Custom stereo system also added to this. That's a backup screen actually down there. Or a screen where you can see with a backup camera on this. Slip around it back, show you where that's at. There's actually a stereo mounted there. That is a Pioneer deck, I do believe. And then steering wheel, they've mounted a control for the stereo on that. So you'd be able to run it in the trunk, subwoofers, amps. There's also nitrous bottle back there. There's 150 shot of nitrous. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the trunk, the engine bay, the underside of this car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pics. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Again, car came to us from Wisconsin. Previous owner has done the build on this. Strut tower brace up front, sway bar down below, shaved door handles, and again, like I said, Lambo doors on it. Rear quarter window treatments, big wing in the back. I believe I mentioned manual transmission, short throw shifter, dual exhaust outlets back here. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some of the stuff, other stuff under the hood. Let's see, new fuel rail in it. Does have a cold air intake. New flywheel. Says a power antenna that will go up and down when the radio is on and off at the key. And again, take your time, look through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest way to get there, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. A lot of custom neon also put on this. Neon on a neon, get it? I'll flip some of those on, show you down below too, some custom blue neon. There's your A-pillar gauges. Kind of the white and blue theme carried throughout the interior. Racing style seats. Alright, so door will slide open like this. Lambo doors for getting in. I'm going to slip in, let's fire this up so you can hear it run. And we're going to pop the hood to check out the engine bay also. Alright, I said Rockford Fosgate, but I believe both decks are Pioneer. Let's see, screen. I believe Rockford Fosgate as far as the amp. I know there's punch subwoofers back there. Again, custom dash. Car shows 11,764 miles. That is a 6-digit odometer. And would be original miles on it, according to the previous owner. Neutral here. Now there are some light switches up here. Those are for the neon. We're going to click those on and show you those when we get outside the car. And neon strictly for show purposes only. It also has a little blue flashing light in the front. No, that is not legal to drive with, obviously. That is strictly show purposes only. I want to stress that. Alright. Slip out. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Alright, here's some of the custom neon up here. All around the license plate frame. Again, previous owner built this. There's some of the lights. Again, for show purposes. Not legal street use. Down below, some neon down here. All blue in color also. Alright, let me hood release underneath here. This switch here, by the way, for lights on the gauges. The A-pillar gauge and the gauge down below the stereo center console. That's what that light would be for. Got the hood popped. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so you can see underneath the hood. Alright, here we go. Again, there's your blue lights and the headlights. Can't repeat it enough. We're stating that is for show purposes only. Engine bay dressed up pretty well. There's cold air intake. And of course, you have your power steering, power brakes, AC, modern amenities that a Plymouth would have came with. A different pulley drive system added over here. Again, I can give you the information the previous owner gave to us and pass along. So there you go, looking for a custom neon coupe. There it is, 1999. A little over 11,000 miles on it. Again, very custom. NOS on it, Lambo doors. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to us. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.